In this video, we are going to convert from improper fractions to a mixed fraction. So first, side note, what is a mixed fraction? A mixed fraction has a number with a different number, let's say a over b. That's basically the form you want. We'll change c times a over b, where all three are numbers. That's mixed. So how do we do that? A has to be less than b, so we need 39 to be less than 12. Well, one way to do this is 39. We'll start with question 1. 39 has to be pulled out at some way so the numerator is less than 12. Personally, the easiest way to do this would be to 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 blah 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 until you find a number that is under 39. Or we can go 39 equals 3 times 12, which is 36. Oh, that should have been a 9. 39 equals 36 plus 3, where 3 is the remainder. But what does that mean in terms of fractions? Well, I'm going to give all of these a different color actually. A and B. So the 39 doesn't belong anywhere anymore. Okay? The B is still our 12. The 3 though, this 3 actually becomes our C, and this 3 becomes our A. So therefore 39 twelfths equals 3, it's a big 3, times 3 over 12, which equals 3 1/4. That's not 3 times 1/4. That's 3 full fractions times a fourth of a fraction. And a way to test that this is correct is to do it in reverse, is to now multiply 12 times 3, which equals your 36 over 12, plus your 3 over 12, which will equal your 39 over 12. And if it does, you know you have done the conversion correctly. Let's move on to 2. We're given 432 over 10. We want to convert that into a mixed fraction. Well, let's look. We're given 432 will equal something times 10 plus a remainder. We can tell that the remainder is going to be 2 right off the bat, because anything that doesn't end in a 0 isn't divisible by 10. So we know that. And then we now need to find out what number to multiply 10 by to get to 430. In this case, it's 43 times 10 plus 2. So if we look at our color code, C, A, B, we can write 432 10 over 10 equals 43 2/10. Sorry. Which would equal 43 1/5. And I am not going to convert back. I'm going to leave that to you to ensure that I did do it correctly. I want you to convert back from a mixed to an improper fraction on this one.